Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to extract audio in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your CapCut. Now select your video. Now click on your video. Now search here extract audio. Here you can see the option of extract audio. Press on this. So this is how to extract audio in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.